Electric motors power industries and add comfort to our everyday routines. They're essential across countless sectors around the globe. But when motors are not properly maintained, it can disrupt operations, lower efficiency, cut into profits, compromise product quality, and even cause secondary safety incidents. All of this contributes to both direct and indirect cost increases. That's where the IoT motor diagnostic system comes in. It provides real-time equipment analysis and instantly alerts you with solutions. The system monitors the voltage and current supplied to the motor. Installation is simple. Just place a sensor between the motor and control panel. Once installed, the system evaluates motor health by comparing live data to a baseline reference of optimal motor performance. Even the smallest deviations are detected and analyzed precisely to identify any irregularities. When something's not right, the system provides early warnings of potential failures. It draws from over 20 years of historical failure data points to deliver highly accurate diagnostics. It also sends regular updates about risks, upcoming maintenance needs, and when parts should be replaced, helping you stay ahead of issues. Installation is straightforward. It fits into the motor control cabinet and doesn't require expert-level knowledge to operate. The system can also be managed remotely over a network, making it highly convenient. Beyond electrical faults, the system can identify mechanical problems in various industrial machines powered by three-phase AC motors. It also detects issues in connection wires, terminals, changing loads, and power supply fluctuations, giving you a clear picture of your motor's real-time performance. Since motors are among the biggest power consumers in industrial settings and often run inefficiently over long periods, monitoring and managing their efficiency can lead to substantial energy savings and lower electricity costs. The CEMEC IoT system includes advanced power quality analysis, offering complete maintenance and energy optimization solutions. With the right timing for inspections and repairs, motors last longer and avoid unexpected breakdowns or quality concerns, all at a reduced cost. CEMEC's IoT motor diagnostic system empowers your plant to operate smarter, safer, and with maximum efficiency. And at the core of this innovation are the Elektron MCA 460V and Elektron MCA 800V, intelligent sensors designed for industries that can't afford surprises. From real-time diagnostics to long-term performance optimization, they help you prevent failures, extend motor lifespan, and cut maintenance and energy costs, all while keeping your operations running at full speed. Whether you're managing standard systems or high-capacity industrial lines, the Elektron MCA is your gateway to true predictive intelligence.